Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the computer sound is too low for Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, I'll open a video for you first and I'll reduce its sound. Okay, so this is one place from where you can increase the sound. The bar on the software itself. The second one is the system tray. So click on this and make sure that the system sound is good enough. And the third one is the volume mixer. So make sure that the volume associated with the app you're working on is good enough. The next solution is to clean the speakers physically and check the speaker with another device to make sure that the issue is not with the speaker. You have already checked the volume equalization because this is something that a lot of people miss. Make sure that it is working for all for your app. And the last is obviously to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.